Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope I get the chance to get to know you, and by the end of the video that you'll think about subscribing. So I have spoilers for you today. Fabfitfun Summer 2022. Now, if you don't know, Fabfitfun is a seasonal box. Each season, we get to choose some items in our box. If you're an annual member, you get to customize your entire box and you are saving some money. There are other links out there if you want to be a seasonal and just pay every 3 months, where you can get like $10 off. I believe it is $59.95. the box, and you can, if you have a referral button with a $10 coupon, you can get it for $49.95. You do get 6 to 8 lifestyle beauty products in there, and they send out surveys to all of their customers. I don't know, you may have gotten one yourself, and based upon those surveys is how they decide what's going to be in that season's box. So I'm going to be sharing with you today potential spoilers. This means that these are coming from a survey and they may or may not necessarily be in the box. I just want to make sure that you guys understand that. Usually some of the products will be, at least. Sometimes it's all right. I've had that happen too. So we're going to go through it today, and then you guys are going to tell me what you think. So I am looking at, and they've even got some variations for an entire box in here, so I'm super excited. And Kelly, thank you so much for sending me your survey, so I have hers as well. So I'm going to be doing a couple of different videos with different spoilers in them. It looks to me like we have the Blue Zen facial steamer as an add-on. You would be unlocking that for $10. Let's get into the other items. Ather Beauty 10-pan rose quartz eyeshadow palette. Looks really pretty, and I do like Ather Beauty. We did recently in BoxyCharm get one of those palettes. Okay, or we have the Ouai Detox Shampoo, Scalp Massager, and Scalp Body Scrub Bundle. A Samara shoulder bag. Free People bralette. Now mind you, Fabfitfun does not like me to use their pictures, so I will do my own research to find that item on the internet. If it is not on the internet as of now, I will put whatever is closest to it, and then I will note that. You'll see that on the screen. Okay, Loverboy Lowball Glasses, a set of 4, and they are blue. Don Lim Portable Blender. Then we have, which is a repeat. Some are going to be repeats. I can only speak on the ones that have been repeats for me. This here, the Somersault Neoprene Beach Tote. They have it in 2 different colors, pink red and blue green. Then we have the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Oil-Free Gel Cream Moisturizer. The Volition Helix AM PM Eye Gel. The Sam Edelman Travel Bundle. Trina Turk Sarong Wrap. The FitPlan Technologies Inc. 5-in-1 Resistance Kit, plus a 3-month subscription bundle. Then we have the Chick and Tonic Colander and Bowl set in warm gray. Summer and Rose Baskets, a set of 2. Or the Society 6 Outdoor Blanket. I've seen that before too. Okay, let's move on to the third set of choices. Kristen S, the Quick Style Set, and it shows 2 bottles, but it doesn't exactly tell me what it is. Or the Bread Hair Mask Deep Conditioner. Tom's Sydney Sunglasses in Berry Crystal. I do like that color. Or the Sanctuary Project Rose Serenity Necklace and Bauble Bar Clasp Extender Bundle. Whew. Sorry about that, guys. My daughter had to take the puppy for me, so we don't hear the barking in the background. We have the Kula Tropical Coconut Spray and SPF 30, or a Sunny Life Float. This here is something that goes in the pool. It's one of those floats. Then we have the Flamingo Shave Set and Face Wax Kit. That looks interesting. Or the Millie Jewelry Case in Printed. I've seen that before. Then we have the Salsa and Guac by Ray and Dunn bowls with 2 wooden spoons. Then we are looking at Dwyer Shroom Serum, the Tulip Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel in SPF 30, which I've heard is really good. The Extreme Time Spiked Hemisphere Massage Dome. I'm pretty sure we could do without that one. Then we have Trindab String Lights with Photo Clips, and it says a 20 piece. This looks kind of neat. Or the Invisibobble set of 10. They can totally keep those. Or this was an add-on for last year's Poolside Water Resistant Pouch. I actually gave that to my daughter for when she visits her dad down in Florida. Okay, moving on. We have the Do With The Gods Froze Body Wash. I have gotten this before in a subscription box. I don't remember which one, and I did like it. Then we have the Chic and Tonic Reusable Bags. I'm not really sure. Doesn't tell me a whole lot about them. Then we have To The Market Wool Dryer Balls. Mega Babe Beauty Latush Butt Mask. Okay. Then the TF Publishing Company Brain Teasers and Activity Books Bundle, Games, Puzzles, and More. I actually purchased those. Well, I don't know. No, they came in my box. They weren't an add-on. And I sent them with my daughter on the plane. That was kind of neat. Or if you're in our doctor's office and you want to pull out something. So I did find a use for those, which worked. Okay. Is this the last? Nope. All right. We're getting there. Thisworks Stress Check Mood Manager. I have one of these. Never used it. Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Brush Trio. These look like eye brushes. Unite 7 Seconds Detangler, or the Listo Flyaway Tamer, Sensuals Vitamin C Serum, Ico Arla Beauty Double Act Shadow Stick Reusable Makeup Swabs Bundle. Okay. Then the Nude Stick Nudies Bloom in Cherry Blossom. Centered Mini Aromatherapy Bombs, a set of 5. Or the Juicy Couture Zip Around Wallet. Or Summer Fridays CC Me Serum.
An authorization number or the last day of the day?
Huh.
Please.
All right. Yeah, that's everything for now. So I've got another survey with different ones in here at different spoilers, and then I also have a couple of different variations that we could possibly get for a box. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I do want to let you know that the pictures I'm putting on the screen, they may be the exact same product or something really similar to it. I will definitely let you know that. You'll be able to see. I'll type it on the screen as well. And let me know. I can't wait to talk to you guys down in the comments. I appreciate you being here, and let me know if you like spoilers. Give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!